iViralX. Billy Darr's iViralX. iViralX, a high-quality software that sources viral content from Dailymotion, YouTube, Pixabay, Flickr, Google and more. Customers can post the viral content with their affiliate links to 10 different social sites at a click of a mouse. Comes complete with video tutorials and more. A proven software guaranteed to get great results. This software will find viral content for your customers at a click of the mouse. They can instantly reshare the viral content with their affiliate links. They can leverage top social sites like Facebook, Twitter and more to drive huge amounts of free traffic. We've personally tested this, so it's proven to work to get results. We provide them with the software, the tutorials and everything else they need to succeed. The software will, in short, get your customers viral traffic and sales. iViralX demo video. iViralX upgrade offers. Front end. iViralX, $17.95. Price will rise every 60 minutes. The front-end product includes the software and the video training program. In a nutshell, the software lets your customers find viral content and then craft a campaign around that content and share it to social sites for free viral traffic and sales. Upsell 1. iViralX Unlimited Edition, $47. This upgrade lets your customer run unlimited viral campaigns and unlock additional features and training. Upsell 2. iViralX, a first edition, $47. This upgrade lets your customers unlock more features such as additional accounts and scheduling ability for automated campaigns. Upsell 3. iViralX 10K Daily Edition, $47. This upgrade shows your customers how they can potentially scale up to 10K a day leveraging more traffic strategies we teach inside. Upsell 4. iViralX Supreme Edition, $47. The Supreme Edition gives your customers the rights to sell the products throughout the funnel, keep 100% of the profits, and rebrand the software with their own logo. As you know, our funnel contains professional high-grade sales copy, well-engineered killer animated VSLs throughout, and no expenses spared. They basically get their hands on the same funnel that would cost them $3,000 to build, but they can get it for just $47. Upsell 5. iViralX Luxury Edition, $197. Your customers experience a very individual custom funnel setup experience. Now we actually set up a funnel for your customers on their hosting with their accounts so they can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added and additional traffic tutorials. We pay a lot of money to deliver this service to your customers. It is well worth it, so be sure to push this one in your emails. You will be glad you did. Brand new push button software gets you viral. Buy your traffic in 60 seconds or less. Pop-up coupon offers $5 off. Billy Darr's iViralX.